Hey guys, in this video I'll be more or less sharing a remedy that I found for a problem that I was having. My fan in my laptop was making a lot of sounds, a lot of loud noises. So I decided to, you know, open it up and take a look. And I realized that the fan inside was oscillating and making contact with the backing of the enclosure that it was in. So what I did was to take it off, the back end that is, and make indents in it to allow more space. And if you can see the indents, so it's not flat like it was before. Yeah, so I made the indents, and then I use a tape. You can use any tape as long as it's strong enough. And because of how it was positioned, it will be on the back anyways, so the tape is really just to have it in place. So I don't really need the tape per se, but just allow that added hold. I added the tape. Now this is HP EliteBook for those who are wondering what kind of laptop it is, so if they can try it with their laptop. The fan in your laptop might be different, so this may not be able to be applied to you, but for those with the HP EliteBook 8460p, you can attempt this if your laptop is making sounds. This could be one of the remedies for you. So I'm going to turn it on so you can actually see. Alright, so the initial process, when it boots on, it will spin, then stop, and when the processing picks up, it will turn on completely. Realize if you can notice, but can hardly hear anything from it. Normal spinning sound. Before it was making a whole lot of noise. So yeah, this is a big improvement. So you can try this. Hopefully it works for you like it worked for me. As I said, it'll be placed in like this. So I'll place it in. It'll be facing towards that end. So this is the result after putting it back in. You're a bit closer. If you notice, you can hardly hear it, if at all. So mission accomplished. I just wanted to show you guys, the result of after everything, and I slap it back in, so you know that it can be placed back in and everything. So really ventilating. So everything seems to be all right. Monitor is on, so no hardware warning, so you know that everything is okay as far as alerts are concerned. So I hope this video was of help to you guys, at least for those who are looking for a remedy for their noisy fan. So if you enjoyed it, leave a like. If you know of another method, you can comment it down if you want more info or more a more in-depth explanation as to how I went about indenting the enclosure. Then just leave a comment and I'll get to you as soon as I see it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.